Well, the building you see behind me was the initial home of the Scuderia Ferrari, which is the racing division of the famed Ferrari brand. Now, they started out here in 1929, and it was a melting point, a meeting point of motorsport enthusiasts. It was also the home of the Ferrari motorcycles that would be made in the 20s and 30s. Today, it serves as a museum right here in the center of Modena, and we're gonna pop inside and have a little look. The museum is full of very interesting places, and perhaps one of the most interesting, of course, is the array of Enzo Ferrari photographs, and then his original office right in here. It's been kept in tip-top, ship-shape condition. You see those classic Ferrari posters? That's him as a young man right there. This is truly a part of history. That is Enzo Ferrari's original office right there. within the museum, there are various exhibitions. And as you can see in this magnificent hall right next to Ferrari's original Modena plant is the Ferrari Game Changers exhibition. And this evening we're here at an exclusive viewing, and you have some of the most iconic game-changing cars that this Italian marque has presented to the world. I mean, the cars are endless, and they are wonderful examples set up in this beautiful venue.